Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Pearl. And today I will be testing some Mortal makeup. This makeup here is a little special because it is a true color shift. So I'm very excited. Let's get into this video. So the makeup I got is called, the brand is called Dawn Eyes, and they sent me the items that I bought in this little bag here, which I thought was really cute. And another thing that I thought was also really cute is, well, it's kind of nice because they come in these little containers here, but they were sealed so nothing would open up or come loose. And they also wrote like little, like this one here says sparkle, and then this one here says thank you and has my name on it. So it's very personalized, and I really like that. That's what happens when you support smaller businesses. So I ordered 2 loose pigments, and if you spend $10 or more, you would get some of their glitter. And the glitter that I have here is called Haunting Season, and it's the very pumpkin-y gold amber color. I'll give you a swatch of this, but this really wasn't my main focus. My main focus was the color shift. This one is called Magical, and it's a really small container. Basically, I got the sample size because the sample was $6, and then it went up from there. You have 2 more sizes. I think the second one up was 16, and then like 24. I honestly can't remember, but this is the premium. And then this eyeshadow is called Toil and Trouble. And see, these, I think these are Halloween specials because they got little pumpkins on the back. And this one's just a regular premium. So I am going to cut my crease so we can get a really good platform to get the glitter on. And for the cut crease, I'm using NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the color Porcelain. And actually, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit on the camera so you can have a better view. I accidentally grabbed the same brush I used for the cut crease, but that will be just fine. Wow, okay, I can already see, like right here there's the pink, the rest of it looks green. Oh wow. Okay, and it got a little bit of fallout, but that is okay. Okay, now I want to try it with a damp brush, and also I'm still using the packing brush. Wow. Okay, that was gorgeous, and that only took like what, 2 swipes. I'm gonna zoom in here in just a little bit so I can show you, but I also want to show you a swatch. Let's do it. do it right here. Wow, gorgeous. Now the Toil and Trouble one, I'm not going to use on the eye for this look, but I am going to show you how it looks because I honestly have not tried it yet myself. Alright, so the top one is the premium eyeshadow, and it's called Magical. And I hope you can see it. I am going to zoom in here in just a little bit. And then the second one is the Toil and Trouble. And this first swatch here is just with a dry brush. And then the end part here is with a dampened brush. And then the rest here is the Haunting Season Glitter with no glitter glue at all. And I'm going to come up here so y'all can see it. So there you have the Magical Eye Shifting, Color Shifting, Toil and Trouble, and the glitter. Got a close up there. Well, I really hope the camera is picking this up. I am going to do a small check-in to show how it looks after a few hours. So just so you can get an idea. I am really loving this. This is so fairy-ish and magical. I cannot wait to use it when I'm going to be doing stuff outside because this is going to look so pretty. Wow, this is like hypnotizing. I just want to cover my whole body with it. Ah! Okay, so quick check-in, guys. It's been about 4 hours since I've had this eyeshadow on, and it is still looking fresh. It's still looking good, so I cannot complain. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. You can go to Dawn Eyes Cosmetics. They have a website, they have Instagram. Go ahead and follow them. Maybe even put in an order. They do have promo codes going around where you can get 15% off. The one I used was Technicolor, so just do a quick search on that so you can save some of those doublons. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will show this company some love. I will definitely be buying from them again. And yeah. Alright. Bye bye.